Let me tell you about the products. So we've got 4 products within the suite. It's TRIPLICITY for third-party risk management. And really the idea behind that is creating a safe space for the organization to understand its distribution of products. So basically the channel, let's go to market, make sure that that area is solid in terms of compliance. It also helps ensure that the supply chain is effectively being managed from a risk-based approach. And it really, the whole concept around it is ensuring that there's free communication and collaboration that is happening between the organizations, right? Then we've got PROCENSUS for application risk management. So PROCENSUS is quite a unique solution. It basically helps organizations manage the life cycle or process through a particular organization. So if you have a really important process like the implementation of an ISMS that you're going to be audited on for 27001 compliance, what Phinity does is it basically helps you understand the security of that particular environment or that particular process. It's also very effective for implementing PCI and the day-to-day requirements and controls that are required for recertification of PCI on an annual basis. There's a whole bunch of other really good things around PROCENSUS, especially if you're a bank and you need to basically provide to your regulator that you are monitoring your applications at a detailed level. That is absolutely what PROCENSUS has been designed to help organizations achieve. Then we've got EXPEDIENT. So EXPEDIENT is project risk management, and really what it helps organizations do is it achieves 2 things. The first one is the quality assurance within the product, within a project. The second thing is actually assigning, following a RACI-based model, the most responsible party and the accountable parties at each step within the governance structure of a project. So the idea is to make sure that your projects run on time, have the right requirement of quality flowing through it, and at each stage there is a clear and concise gate around who is accountable for delivering something and who is accountable for ensuring that it's done and cleared to move on to the next stage. Then we've got resilience. So resilience really kind of brings it all together. All of those 3 products I was talking about is around operational risk management. So if you can think of these operational risk management solutions, bringing all of that data, making sure all of the required people that are accountable know that they're accountable, they're getting the right data, they're doing the reports. And then you think about resilience as the catch-all at the bottom. So the whole idea there is that each risk that was identified at an operational level will then actually be brought down into resilience and then tracked through to remediation, which then reduces the risk and actually brings resilience into the business. So that's really kind of the whole concept. This is why we're doing what we're doing, right? There is one other product which is being developed this year. It's called Noviculum currently. It's the development name for it. It may change, but what Noviculum does is it basically sits above the 3 operational products. And that particular solution is designed to identify strategic and tactical risks. So if you can now picture your entire risk landscape from your strategic risks that are then linked down straight into your operational risks that are then that will then help identify where you got challenges, where you got gaps, and then actually help remediate those risks where you have control failure.